Hello friends, I am Pooja and you are welcome to Cooking Time. So today I am going to share with you a very easy and light breakfast recipe. This is Poha. This recipe is most popular in Western India. You can have it as breakfast or evening snack. So let's see how to make this.
So first heat a pan on medium flame and add 3 teaspoons of ghee. And then add the peanuts and shallow fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes. And now remove them into a bowl. Actually, there are 3 types of this rice flakes: thin rice flakes, thick version, and a medium thick version. So generally to make this type of poha, we use this thick version. So here I have this 2 cup of poha. So put it in a large strainer. And add some water and wash it gently. And leave it in the strainer for about 10 minutes. And now heat the same pan again and add half teaspoon of mustard seeds and half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Once they crackle, add some fresh curry leaves. And then add some finely chopped onions and saute them till they become translucent. And then add some green chilies and saute for a minute. And then add some boiled potatoes and give it a quick stir. And now add some finely chopped tomatoes and don't overcook them, otherwise tomatoes will turn mushy. And some pepper powder and some turmeric powder, some sugar as per your taste, and saute for a minute. And add poha. So add some salt, some lemon juice, and finely chopped coriander and mix it gently with the help of a spoon. And now add shallow fried peanuts and mix them all very well and let it cook for a minute. And see, now it's done.
So if you like my video, click the like icon and subscribe my channel.